Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain about how to create a digital classroom using Easyclass. So first you have to go to Google and write Easyclass.com in your browser search and enter. Okay, the process for creating an account as a teacher and the students are the same. The students have to receive a code that they have to enter in this part. As an instructor or teacher, you have to click here, and as a student, you have to click on this part, but with the code. Okay, so I'm going to explain a little bit about the instructor. So here you just have to fill in the information, your personal information like first name, last name, your email. Remember that you have to have one email and do not repeat for other classes. Also the gender, the password, the one registered. So when you have registered as a teacher or as a student, you are going to have to come. So when you are here, you have to sign in and enter to your email. In this case, this is my email. And sign in. Once you are in your digital classroom, you can do many things, but the most important things I'm going to explain, which is to create a course. The interface is similar to Facebook, so you are not going to have any problem. Okay, so let's go direct to the code. So in order to create a course, you go to this part that says courses, you click on it. I have already created, so I'm just going to repeat again. For example, I have created 8th, 9th, 10th year. In this case, I'm going to show. I'm going to create a 7th class, the 7th class, 7th classroom, 7th year. Class name, in this case English, grade 7th, and save. Okay, so the class is being created, and you can see here where it says courses. As you can see, when you create a course, there is always going to appear a code, an access code. So this code you have to give to your students in order to enter. So you have to keep this code in a safe place. Okay, I'm going to go to all my courses and I'm going to explain what I can do into this course. For example, in 10th year, I have already created some activities in order to see. Yeah. Okay, so the code for the 10th year is this, now N66B1826. Here you can upload documents, files, links, everything that you want your students to see. For example, here in the class wall, I can post a comment or a welcome. For example, welcome students to class 2. Yeah, and I'm gonna post. If you want to show it, post announcement. Yeah, so your post is going to appear here. Welcome students to class 2. If you want your students to comment your post, they can click here and says comment, or maybe just they can like it, or maybe they can report something. As you can see here, I have an example. Welcome students from 10th year, and my student Christian Kaisa says, thank you teacher. Yeah. Here, when a student comments something, you can approve or delete the comment. In this case, I'm going to approve. Okay. Also, here you can create discussions. And for the discussion, you can select by group discussions. you can give the code only for certain students in order to start a conversation. As you can see here, I have created talk to your partner discussion. So the students click on it and they can start maybe this forum discussion, or they can ask or do collaborative tasks. Depends on the object of your discussion. Yeah. For example, here Christian says hello. You can add files, links, for example. You just have to copy the link from the website, click paste it here and write a title. Yeah. Also, assignments. You can create assignments. It's very easy. You have to click on where it says create assignment. You can create your own assignment here into the platform, or just you can upload your assignments. In this case, I'm going to upload assignment name. For example, pop quiz. Description. Yesterday's class. You can establish here the points, maximum points, the date if you want a due date time, for example for tomorrow at 10. You have to upload the document. For example, I'm going to upload this document. No, I'm sorry, I cannot. Yeah, this one. Yeah, it is an example. So I'm going to click where it says save, and your assignment is going to be created. Yeah. As you can see here, I have created other assignments like use the new tool, which is a written activity in which the students have to post in the class wall some comments for the class. Yeah. The instruction, so students can see everything. Yeah, here it says pop quiz, maybe an assignment that they have to do at home, WH questions, etc. Also, you can create quizzes. Here you can see. Yeah, for example, I have created answer the WH questions. Yeah? In order to create a quiz, you have to click here with, and you can write the name of the quiz. For example, Christmas activities. Also, you can establish the date for Friday, for example, until 22 o'clock. Save. And the name of the quiz has been created. Yeah. Here you can, where it says add questions, you can find the type of question that you like. You can create true, false, multiple choice, short answer, or easy or essay question. Okay, this depends on the questions that you like to create. Here you can see the total points of your students, if you want to hide or not the quiz until the time that you want your students to complete. If you want a time limit, you write yes. If you want the minutes, for example 20 minutes, show the results or no, the normal system, and save settings. Yeah, that's all. In the gradebook, students find their scores. In the members, you can see all the students that you have in your class. In this case, I just have one student. And my person who is the administrator. Yeah, my student and me. In the class library, you can upload all the information, all the teaching resources that you want your students use, for example, videos, handouts, PDP, PDF documents, images, etc., etc. I hope you can see here the ones that I have. Yes, here I have some. I have a rubric, I have a song, I have syllables, and I can also share my files with my students. Yeah. In groups, you can create also groups with your students in order to create class discussions, but it depends on you. Yeah. And for these groups, students can join to the group. No, there is an option that says join a group. They receive a code and they have to write the code, click continue, and they can be part of that group. You can use this when you want to create group assignments. In files, also you can find all the documents that I have already explained you that you have uploaded into the class. Okay. Also in this, I'm sorry, but my internet is so slow. Yeah, here you can also create your own folders for your files. For example, I have created listening folder, reading and writing. You just click here where it says file, click where it says add folder, and you can create, for example, here songs. And yeah, and you can create your own folders and with the activities, very easy. Or you can upload documents using this icon. As you can see, also you can chat with your students by sending private messages using this inbox icon. Yeah, so you can interact with your students like I have did here. For example, Kristen says, "Dear teacher, I cannot join to the class discussion, and I am a teacher, I answered." Okay, let me see. Yeah, you can use this tool too. So it is very complete, this platform. And also you can see if there are connection requests or event requests, everything. As you can see here, it advises you about notifications or maybe some reminders of your class. This interface your students also can see is the same. The only difference is that the code, you have to register a code. I'm going to explain briefly how students are going to students are going to be able to enter to your class. So you log out. In order to register the students, they only need an email and the classroom code. And the students can upload tasks in the similar way that I did before, using the different icons that the Easyclass offers. Yeah. For example, here the students has to enter, click on students enter access code. Yeah, here the code, for example, in my case, my class code is this, M66B1826, and click on continue. Oh my god. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot the hyphen. Yeah, so the same, the student has to complete with his personal information and put register. Yeah, so he has the same process. He has to go to sign in, put his email, his password, and he will be able, or she will be able to enter to your class and do the activities that you have posted and I have explained before. So this is the way how we can create an account in Easyclass, create courses and activities in Easyclass. For registered students, as I already mentioned, they just need the email and the code class, and they can do everything as I have explained before in this tool. Thank you.